Boom! Welcome to Boss Bar Kitchen. Now, today we have an exciting recipe for you, Cajun dish. Having been educated in culinary in New Orleans and having worked in different institutions, restaurants, and run a restaurant of myself, I have a whole lot of knowledge about culinary and Creole cooking. So this is the site. If you need any culinary dish, just let me know. Drop me a line and I'll cook for you or explain how to go about it. I'm also educated in international cuisine, so I can cook various international cuisines. And this site is limitless. So without further ado, let me introduce you to the item of the day. Today we are cooking Cajun crawfish dish, and these are the ingredients. Here we have a pound of peeled crawfish with fat. We have a couple of bell peppers, green and red, chopped. We have tomato paste. We have chopped onion. Okay, here we have the seafood stock. We have chopped celery. We have chopped green onions. We have salt. We have some flour and some butter. Now, as you can see in the culinary world, in the Cajun world, these are considered the Holy Trinity. It's onions, celery, and the bell peppers. Those are the Holy Trinity. Most of the Creole and Cajun cuisines will have this. Otherwise, it won't be called Cajun or Creole. So we're gonna start. We're gonna start and make a roux. Okay, so as you can see, this is the pan that we're gonna use for the roux. Normally, the roux is light as opposed to our roux is gonna be a little bit darker than blonde roux, which is white roux. It's about chocolate, a little bit dark chocolate, peanut butter color. Now, if you are making gumbo, this is the best dish to use because it's heavier. It's got heavier bottom, the heavy iron skillet. But since we are making the lighter roux, we're gonna use this. It's gonna be like a little bit darker than peanut butter. So first we turn on our fire. It's gonna be on medium. Then we'll put a stick of butter. Okay, so now the butter has come, we have melted the butter. So we're gonna put a cup of flour and we stir it. When it comes to roux, one thing that you have to be mindful, do not leave the roux. You have to keep stirring it. You have to stir it, otherwise it's gonna burn. Once it burns, you have to throw everything away and start all over again. All right, so midway in our roux making, now we have a blonde roux. This is the blonde roux, but that's not what we like. Blonde roux is used for bechamel, salsas, and things like that. But since we're doing Cajun or Creole cooking, we want the roux to brown a little bit more. Now, if you're doing gumbo is going to be dark chocolate to give it that flavor. But with crawfish étouffée, you just need the color to be a little bit darker than peanut butter. And so we'll continue. All right. So now, as you can see, check the color of the roux. We're almost there. It's got chocolate, peanut butter right now, but we are trying to get to a little bit darker peanut butter. So we're almost there. But you have to stir it constantly, otherwise you're gonna lose it. Once you lose it, it burns. You have to throw everything away and start all over. So we'll be back. So now we are very, very close. Now fellas, always remember to have your mise en place, all your ingredients in place before you start cooking. Because one of the biggest mistakes we as cooks make in the kitchen is not put everything together, and then you wind up either burning your food because you left something out, or it delays you. This is what the French culinary term mean by mise en place. That means you have everything in place. So that's the first and foremost kitchen discipline. You have to have your mise en place in place before you start cooking. All right, so now we have achieved our color. So we're gonna put in our Holy Trinity. Put in the onions, put in our mixed peppers. Meanwhile, stirring. In goes our celery. And keep stirring, because at this time the roux is hot. Then the next thing we put in is our garlic, chopped garlic. We put in our chopped garlic and stir. You have to keep stirring, and then add half of your chopped green onions. Keep stirring. You gotta stir all the way. Mix it pretty good, and let it cook for about. We're gonna cover it. Let it cook for about 5 minutes. All right, so let's stir it again. All right, I think it's good enough. Now we have to put in our tomato paste. We put in 2 tablespoons, no more. That should be enough. And we stir it. Now, if you have time, you can put thyme in there. We don't have any time today, so there's no thyme leaves. But you can put some thyme leaves as well as bay leaves, at least 2 bay leaves. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit of salt in it, maybe about a teaspoon. All right, so now we'll put some seafood seasonings in there. If you don't have seafood seasoning, you can use all-purpose. That should do. I use Tony Satchery's. All right, so now here you go. We'll put our 2 bay leaves. 2 bay leaves in there. And then we'll put our, this is the seafood stock. That's about, the seafood stock consists of shrimp shells, and then when we peel the crawfish, we'll use the shells to make seafood stock. If you don't have it, you can use chicken or water. So check the consistency. This is it. This is your crawfish étouffée. We'll let it go for about 10 minutes before we add the crawfish. So this has been cooking for about 10 minutes. Right. So the sauce has been cooking for about 12 minutes. Now we're going to put in the crawfish. Alright, so we'll mix it together, and then we add about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Alright, okay, so now we're going to add about a teaspoon of sugar. I mean, it's optional. I mean, it brings out the flavor, but if you don't want sugar, you don't have to put sugar. Then we'll put in the rest of the green onions. So that's it. It's all done. And to finalize it, you gotta put chopped parsley. You can use fresh parsley or dry parsley. That's it. We allow it to go for about another 5 minutes to incorporate the flavors from the crawfish, and we'll be done. Then we'll plate. Now, if you need any information, like I said, contact me, and I'll be glad to answer your concerns, or if you need any recipe. But don't forget to subscribe, share, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. We upload videos every week. Thank you. All right, so now this is our finished product. Beautiful, nice looking crawfish étouffée. So we'll plate it. All right, very beautiful. Smell is amazing. This smells good. So let's garnish it with a little bit of this here, and then we sample it. We'll check it out. Let's give it a try. Amazing. This is delicious. It's delicious. So go and give it a try. Let me know. There's a Cajun Crawfish Étouffée. All right. I can't stop eating. It's good. Give it another try. Very good. All right. So please subscribe, share, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thank you. Ciao.